I won't spare you. I will seek vengeance for my mom's death, Arohi! Brother Virat! It's of no use, Tara. Virat won't come, only the police will. Kill her, Brother Virat. She killed Mom.
Nothing can save you now, Arohi. Oh no!
I won't spare you!
Stop! Nobody moves from their place.
Arohi, do you think that this story is finished? No. This game will go on till you don't die, Arohi. I will seek revenge. I will be back. You will be punished for taking Deep away from me. Deep only belongs to one of us, Arohi. Deep is mine. Nobody can snatch him from me. You will burn on the pyre. I will be the one to take the vows with Deep. I will vow to live and die with him. Only one person will live. Me. Only me!
Take her away.
Only one person will live, Arohi. Only one person.
Arohi, I don't know how to punish you. Because you did not listen to me and you came here. Or should I embrace you? That you escaped from those murderers.
I did all that to save you, Deep, and see, we have won. You saved me.
If something would have happened to you today, 2 corpses would have been lying here. The one of those corpses would have been mine.
Deep, please. Don't say that. Life is very beautiful, Deep.
You are right. Life is very beautiful. And we need to complete our marriage vows. We need to complete all the promises. And this time the dice will be the same. The fires will be the same. The ones taking the vows will be the same as well. And there'll be no danger this time.
Kadam, call for the ambulance quickly and send the body for post-mortem. Hey!
Come
Hey!
here. Be aware. If anyone moves forward, I will kill her.
Tara, stop this drama.
If you want her to stay alive, then move back.
Stop! Stop or else I'll have to shoot you.
I'm also a police officer. I know the law very well. You cannot treat me like this. I haven't done anything. I supported Tara because I was helpless. She had held me at gunpoint. Arrest her if you want. She has trapped me.
We will do that for sure.
She killed my mom.
What happened, Kadam? Did you find out anything?
No, sir.
Inform Inspector Ritu Bhardwaj as well that Tara has escaped from our custody.
How did you find this place to be?
It's very beautiful.
Yeah, but it is not more beautiful than you. These 7 hours need to pass by anyhow. As soon as possible.
7 hours?
After 7 hours, the auspicious time for marriage is at 7 p.m. And you're behaving like this? I hope after marriage, you won't forget me.
Deep.
What are you thinking now?
What if Tara comes here?
Don't utter her name. She is such a snake whose poison fangs have been extracted. As it is, we're on the beach house. No one knows about it. That girl was insane. She killed her own mother. A mother who always saved her. Who can be more unfortunate than her? So, you don't have to worry at all.
What are you hiding, Deep?
Why should I tell you?
Henna?
The groom wants to apply the henna on his bride's hand.
Deep. Deep. The girl is very fortunate whose groom applies the henna on his bride's hand.
By the way, the bride looks out for her groom's name in the henna. But I am saving you from all these complications, so I'll tell you where exactly it is written. Here it is.
Is it written in Chinese?
Hello, priest. The auspicious time for the wedding is 7 p.m. You should reach Raichand house exactly at 7. Thank you.
You two are wearing the same necklace, Arohi. What did you think? Only you are getting ready in the bride's attire? Deep and Arohi. You think I am in prison, right? Behind the bars. You two were saved, but no. Because I am free now and I haven't forgotten my revenge yet. You will have to pay for your deeds. My darling husband, you have given a beautiful bridal attire to your to-be wife. I am wearing the same bridal attire. The jewelry which you have gifted to your beautiful to-be wife, I am wearing the same jewelry. Because you will marry me. For we both look the same.
Today, my to-be wife is looking extremely beautiful.
And my groom too is looking splendid.
Right? So why the delay? Let's go quickly. The auspicious time is passing away.
Priest, where are you going? The marriage is taking place inside, and where is Deep?
My dear, you should know as to where your groom is. Deep told me to come home from the wedding vows. And when I came here, he tells me to record the mantras and send them. I could have done that from my house as well. And he knows about that, but he's paying me double fees.
Oh. So it was his move. He fooled me. He called the priest here so that I follow him here. And he went with my lookalike. But what did you think, Deep? Tara will reach to you anyhow.
Here there's no one other than both of us. Neither anyone from our family, nor any priest or any guest. Only we both are present. And after today, we'll be forever united. Can I tell you something? All these flowers and the veneration pot, this decoration, everything is done by me. Just for you.
I don't want anything other than your love, Deep.
So, can we start?
Now, the bride and the groom proceed to exchange garlands. The bride and the groom be seated and tie the nuptial knot. Now the bride and groom stand up to perform the nuptial rounds.
I'll return to you all that happiness that you deserve and you've lost. Arohi, the path on which I'll be taking you, will have only happiness. There will be no sorrows.
You have granted me a new life, Deep. It begins from you and will end with you. I won't let Arohi win today. Deep will apply the vermilion and tie the nuptial thread to me.
Love and destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.